Alright guys, so I want to show you how to go into the dealer access portal. So the first thing you're going to do is go into settings, then you will go down to advanced settings. Next, at the top right there, view dealer control center. This is your installation menu. Next, you'll hit proceed. After that, you're going to want to go into equipment in that bottom left. This will give you all the settings that you could ever want. Now on these 19V systems specifically, you're going to want to go all the way down to a function called balance point control. This comes automatically defaulted as disabled. You're going to want to enable that, and then you're going to want to go back and adjust the high balance point and the low balance point. The low balance point is the cutoff to the outdoor unit, the heat pump. So at what temperature do we cut off the heat pump? And then the high balance point is going to be at what temperature do we kick off the furnace or allow the furnace to run. Then you want to go back, hit exit, and go back to your home screen. Good job.